If Premiere Pro is showing error compiling movie, Selector 9, error code 39, don't worry, this is a common export problem and in most cases it can be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective step-by-step solutions to get your export working again without wasting time guessing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro fixes and editing tips. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to check is your storage space. Premiere Pro export errors often happen when your drive is too full, so make sure your hard drive has enough free space for the export. As a rule of thumb, you often want at least double the size of the final file available, especially if you're working with large video projects. If your drive is nearly full, free up some space and try the export again. Next, switch Premiere Pro from GPU rendering to software rendering. To do that, go up to File, then Project Settings, then General. Look for Renderer and change it to Mercury Playback Engine Software Only. This can help when the graphics processor is causing export conflicts. After changing it, restart Premiere Pro so the setting fully applies. Now let's check your export encoding settings. When you open the export window, go to the video section and find encoding settings. If performance is set to hardware encoding, change it to software encoding instead. Hardware encoding is faster, but it can sometimes trigger export errors depending on your system, drivers, or project media. Switching to software encoding is a great way to test whether the error is tied to your GPU. Another very important fix is clearing your media cache. Over time, Premiere builds up cache files that can become corrupted or outdated. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache. From there, click Delete to remove the cached files. You can clear all cached files if needed, and then reopen Premiere Pro and try exporting again. This simple step fixes a lot of stubborn export issues. If you're still seeing the error, rename your output file. Sometimes special characters, symbols, or punctuation in the file name can interfere with exporting. Keep the name simple and clean. For example, use plain letters, numbers, underscores, or dashes, and avoid unusual characters. Also make sure the export path itself is simple and easy to access. At this point, you should also look for a problematic clip or effect in the timeline. Since the error often appears at a specific timestamp, note exactly where Premiere Pro stops exporting. Then go to that section of the timeline and try removing the clip, disabling effects, or re-rendering that part. If the export consistently fails at the same point, that section is often the source of the problem. If the issue continues, try exporting through Adobe Media Encoder instead of exporting directly from Premiere Pro. In the export menu, choose Send to Media Encoder. This gives Premiere a different export path and can bypass the direct export error. A lot of creators find that Media Encoder works more reliably for problem projects. Another useful fix is exporting to a different drive. If the current drive has permission issues, is nearly full, or is too slow, that can cause Selector 9 error code 39. Try saving the file to another internal drive or an external drive that has plenty of free space. This helps rule out drive-specific issues. If you want the fastest way to troubleshoot, start with the easiest fixes first. Free up storage, change to software rendering, switch to software encoding, and clear the media cache. Then move on to renaming the file, checking the timeline, using Media Encoder, and exporting to a different drive. One of these steps usually solves the problem, and that's how to fix Premiere Pro error compiling movie Selector 9 error code 39. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Premiere Pro troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.